Hi guys, HTC Desire 20 Pro, HTC U20 5G with quad rear cameras, hole punch display launched. My name is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel Technical Vihant. So HTC has not revealed the prices of HTC U20 5G with HTC Desire 20 Pro phones. Neither their availability is known at the moment. Both the phones have been listed on the official Taiwanese site with the detailed specifications. The HTC 20 Pro is seen to come in shades of smoky black and pretty blue, whereas the HTC U20 5G is listed in shades of green and silver. In an earlier tweet, HTC has hinted that more markets will see the launch of two phones eventually. So let's talk about the specifications. The dual SIM HTC U20 5G runs on Android 10 and features a 6.8-inch Full HD plus hole punch display with 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC paired with 8GB RAM. Internal storage is at 256GB with the option to expand it further using a micro SD card slot. Coming to the cameras, the HTC U20 5G has a quad camera setup that includes a 48 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and 8 megapixel secondary shooter with f2.2 aperture and 118-degree wide angle field of view, and two 2 megapixel cameras with f2.4 aperture. Camera features include macro, 4K video recording, face detection, dual LED flash and more. Up front, the hole punch cutout houses a 32 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture and a fixed focus. Front camera features includes beauty mode and instant portrait mode. The HTC U20 5G has a 5000 mAh battery with quick charge 4.0 up to 18 volt support. The phone measures weight up to 215.5 grams. Connectivity options include USB Type-C port, GPS, NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 5G and more. Sensors on board include ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, gyroscope, dynamic gravity sensor, compass and rear fingerprint sensor. If we talk about the dual SIM, HTC Desire 20 Pro runs on Android 10 and features a 6.5-inch Full HD plus hole punch display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC paired with a 6GB RAM. Internal storage is at 128GB with the option to expand it further using a micro SD card slot. Coming to the cameras, the HTC Desire 20 Pro has the identical quad camera setup as the HTC U20 5G. Up front, the hole punch cutout of the Desire 20 Pro houses a 25 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture and a fixed focus. Front camera features include beauty mode and auto HDR. The HTC Desire 20 Pro also packs a 5000 mAh battery but with quick charge 3.0 support. It is touted to offer up to 22.1 hours of talk time and up to 156.2 hours of music playback. The phone weighs about 201 grams. Connectivity options include USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, GPS, NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 5G and more. Sensors on board include ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, gyroscope, dynamic gravity sensor, compass and rear fingerprint sensor. So what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. For my latest videos on tech and gadgets, please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, take care. Thank you.